kind of a pain to get the arms in.
It's a video. Come look.
Actually, I want to put this on first. Hi, Gumps. Maybe it's laughing. It's not funny.
Mine are dramatic.
So then I go, okay. So then, I don't need the wagon, but I usually bring the wagon if I have boxes. But
How do I get the hood?
we'll do that when we get down there.
Okay.
You don't even need your gloves right at this minute. They're really, really tame. So we just bring them.
My mom, and we're checking out some bees. We're in our bee suits. Bee suits. We're on a farm and they're arguing at each other. Oh, they went away. Are you excited? She has her bucket of supplies. Let's go. I'm excited. It's pretty around here. I'm not used to sights like this now. Look, the beehive.
Kind of crazy, don't you think? I don't see much action happening. What's happening?
Is on my camera okay?
Yeah.
It's not the best quality.
Okay, so see, look, there's some bees.
There's some bees. Oh yeah.
There's nothing really happening in this one. This is a new one that we were trying to do with them.
I'm scared.
Let's check out these. So, this is a bigger box. So this is called a brood super.
Oh.
And then you're gonna have a smaller honey one, and there's two smaller honey ones in there. So, does this rack look familiar that they're sitting on? The old TV rack.
Oh, I see now.
Yeah, so
What
there's
is
moisture,
that?
which is not good. I don't know what the moisture's from. That's a protein patty. It's like a food for them.
Oh.
So what you do, but this one is not that big. So they're going to be making honey on here, but they haven't started yet. There's a few bees on that. And where you're going to really see the bees is on the bottom one. So there's a lot here. And if you look, this separates the queen, so the queen doesn't go up with the honey.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And if you look, there's a lot of them.
They're mad. They're mad.
Should I get the smoke?
Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Oh my
So
god,
you kind of
mad.
go.
Oh my god, one's on me, one's on me.
They're
Oh my
not gonna
god.
get through to you.
Oh my
They're
God.
fine.
Oh my
They're
god.
actually very nice bees.
They're mad. They don't care.
There's nothing on that
Oh
one.
my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's trying to get to me, Mom. Oh my gosh, Mom. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a step back. I'm really scared.
Maybe you get the smoke out.
Wow. Wow, that's great.
See all that yellow comb? That's what they're making.
Yeah, I see that. They're really mad, Mom. Oh my gosh. What do you have to do?
Alright, so let me go get the smoke.
Oh my gosh. That's so mean. I'm getting out of here. I want no part in this. Get away from me. That was one of the worst experiences of my life. They're still near me. She's smoking them out, and I don't believe in that. So I came over here. I'm vegan, so I don't want any part in this, honestly. The babies are mad. Oh my gosh, they like my camera. But my camera doesn't like them. But look how pretty, at least. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna come back here. But nice experience, I guess. There's another one coming at me again. They're solar panels, though. Kind of ugly, but important, I guess. It's on a farm, too, so it's acceptable. I don't like this. See, I don't believe in that. That's wrong for me. Because she's not vegan, so I don't expect her to understand. There's a beer Nini. They're so mad. Oh my gosh, it really is just smoke. That stinks. Oh, they're so mad. Can you see how mad they are? Oh my gosh, get away. Get away, get away, get away. Yeah, they went in front of the camera. It's on me. The one's blowing. I don't want this by my face. There's one really mad at me. I didn't even do anything, bruh. Be mad at my mom. I want to sit on my butt, but then my ankles will be exposed. So I have to sit on my knees. I don't like this, though. This is like a -12 experience.
Close this one up, and then I'm going to go to this one.
Okay. I'll be right here. Okay, I stopped hearing with you, so I sat crisscross applesauce and got situated. But yeah, I don't recommend this experience to anyone. Maybe if the bees were nice, but they're being really angry. But, you know, side quest, I guess. Why my mom likes them. I've never. This was awful. I don't. Do you see it? My ankles are a bit exposed, so I'm really scared that they're gonna notice. I really hope they don't notice.
Alright, can you come over here and film this one, please?
She asked me to come film. I'm getting my ankles covered ASAP. Oh my gosh, Mom.
They're not going to bug you. Come here.
They're really bugging me right now. I have an itch on my nose. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Are you surprised I'm doing this?
I have a really itchy nose right now. Okay, I itched it.
Alright, can you record that? So nothing's growing. So that's not good.
Oh my gosh, there's a giant one on you, Mom.
That's okay, there's usually tons of them.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Mom, I'm gonna flip out. Are we almost done?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
There's honey in here. You want to try some honey?
What?
See the honey?
Yeah, I see it. That's great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
See, this is going to be a queen.
Wow, that's really cool. I can't even look. Mom, I'm going. I can't. I can't, Mom. I can't. Mom, I'm gonna freak out. That was awful. Absolutely not. Never again. I love bees. I'm usually really good with them. This was just, I don't know, just too much for me. I don't know, I just couldn't do it. I've never been to a beehive before, and that's probably my last time. Guys, I do not recommend. This was like a 0 out of 10 experience. So, look, there's my mom. Look, there's a seat. I'm gonna sit and wait for her to be done.
Does Matt think we're crazy?
We're done. I don't know, I only have my camera here.
Oh, that's right.
I think I'll turn it into a mini vlog since I took a
You
couple of
send it to
videos.
me so I can send it to him?
The vlog or the or the videos you want?
Everything.
Okay. All right, we're done.
I just pretty much wanted to give him some of that simple syrup so they had it for when it's raining a lot.
Got you.
Do I have bees on me?
That's a thing?
Well, sometimes I need that.
No. Do I?
No.
Okay.
Because they get photos.